Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to install these Amazon frame sliders on a 2021 Yamaha MT-07. To start, you're going to want to take out the bolt here. It's a 17mm socket. One thing that's worth noting is you should do one side at a time, just to be safe. Alright, then we're going to take the frame slider and the whole assembly here. It's got its own bolt and washer. Just going to stick it up in there, and then I'm using a T55 key. If you have an Allen key, I believe it's a 10. This is all I have on hand, so I have to use it, but otherwise it'd be a 10mm Allen. At least I'm pretty sure it's a 10mm. Just going to thread that in there. Make sure not to cross thread it. Trust that. Stuff like that. And you're going to be torquing this down to 40 foot-pounds. It's kind of hard to find online what it's supposed to be, but from what I found from the previous models, for everybody who's asked the same question, it was around I believe 38 to 54, and then somewhere it mentioned 40 foot-pounds. So I believe 40 is a good in-between number that we're going to go with, just to be safe. There we go. That's the click. 40 foot-pounds. She's on. There we go. Super simple. Took me maybe 5 minutes for both sides. So go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other side and you're done. And this is what it looks like with it installed. Both sides there. Not too bad. Doesn't stick out too much. I think it flows really well with it. So appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, throw it down in the comment section. Other than that, I'll see you guys.